BNB. Wow, it's going up, guys. Would I take some of this BNB? It looks like I might take some, guys. Looks like I might take some, but is it going? Oh, look at it. It's not exactly as strong, but I think I want to take some little BNB, guys. Let's take some BNB. Let's take some BNB, guys. Let's put some BNB in there. Yeah, but it's not picking up everything. Why not, guys? Why not? Let's put 15. It's just giving us 49.64. Are we good? Are we good? Is it gonna buy? I don't know. We're just checking to see. I want to see if I can pick some BNB, guys. Oh no. I gotta have to pick the higher price. It's actually just going. I have to pick the higher price. It's going up. It's going up, guys. It's going up. So we need to pick the higher price. For us to do this, we need to pick the higher price. Let's pick up. Let's go. I think we bought it. So it's going up, guys. We are in BNB right now. You can see that. Look at it. How much did we buy? I don't know. Let me quickly walk with that quickly and set our sell limit. We bought 49.70. Okay, let's go over to convert and do this, guys. Go over to convert and let's see whether BNB is gonna break its. I mean, we're still at 62, so I guess it's still gonna go up. Still gonna go up a bit more. Anyways, we are here together looking at this. So let's go ahead and pick our BNB. Okay, pick completely all the BNB, right? That's what we do in convert limit, guys. Convert limit. Don't just come to convert. You're not under any pressure to get it sold, right? So you just want to make sure that so we are currently not in profit, but we are going to put this at, if I put it at 615, what's that going to give me? And you have to realize that we have to be quite conservative when you're dealing with bigger coins like this. You have to be conservative. So I'm going to let me do 620. Let me see what that will happen. Okay, 50.16. Remember, I want to pick up 1%. No, not 1%. I want to do like at least, let me do my 2%. 2, 3. Let's see, would it go up? Okay, we picked up. It was actually, don't forget, it was 49.70, so I need to get it up to 70. I need to get it up to 70 to give me $1. Oh, it's not giving me much. Let me see if I put 8, would that be okay? That's a little bit higher. What about I do 7? I think I'm good with 27. 627 should just be fine. Let's go with it. 627. It actually went beyond that some time ago. So we're currently having BNB in it here right now. BNB is currently in it. Yeah. Can you see that? We want to do 50.73, just like $1 above. It's actually, let's go and see. Is it going up? It looks like it's gonna go up. So I'm just gonna take my screenshot. Okay, go and check. How much again did we buy? I think it was 49.70 worth that we bought. But how much was it? It was at 613.6. Well, let's just wait and see that this gets to 620. 620 what? 620 what? I don't know. I can't keep on putting all of these things in my brain. That's why I keep on going back. 620 watts. 627. 627. Look at it. BNB has executed. Let me go into it and show you the awesome details, right? You can see that we have our trades executing. So I'll just go over to convert. We have like 3 trades executed, between yesterday and today. I'm going to just quickly take you through so that you can see every one of them. Look at it, starting with BNB. But the first one that got executed was OM. Yeah. Followed by BNB, followed by Solana. The big guys that we took their trades have already executed, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's start with BNB. As we can see, yeah, we have 50.73. Remember, if we go check how much that we actually bought, let's go and see it in the trade history. The trade history is very important, right? So we will go and check. Okay, we bought BNB worth of 49.70, and then we actually got what? We got Let me go. Sorry, let me just show you that. So we actually got 50.73. Yeah, we made $1. That's and our target is 2% because we just want to make sure that we get in and get out of the trade, right? So let's go ahead and do our calculations for that one. Let's do our calculations for that one, guys. Okay. So for BNB, remember that BNB, we bought it. No, this what we got is 50.73, right? 50.73. Are we correct? Let me go check it out. 50.73, yes. And we bought 49.70. Okay, and that will give us what? Let me show you. We got what? Let me take it back. I want to make sure I take the screenshot. 50.73 minus 49.70, which will give us 1.03. That's awesome. Let's just snap that one. Okay, 1.03. Then what is the percentage? Okay, so 103, as you can see here. So we're going to put 49.70 times, let's say that will be 2.2. Is that 2.2? No, not up to that. 2.1, 2.08. I think it's about 2.08%. As you can see here, we got 2.08% on our BNB trade. We used $50 and we made $1.03, which is good.